Be quiet. Okay, welcome to
actually Flappy Bird is more awesome, but it's not awesome no more. It's always boring not to play it. It's not the best show in the world. I never wanted to play. What's the Flappy show? Everyone.
You keep on complaining.
Ooh, a big truck. Big truck. Hey. Hooray! 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 Tua, say hooray! My fingers do hurt. Wah! Just one right up your hand. Wait, what? You think it was done?
Yeah, sure.
That got so much. Beep beep. No, not so.
Okay, hold on.
Super Mario Maker. Yeah. Super Mario Maker 2.
Oh.
I'm winning.
Cool. Okay, cool. Let's continue where we left off in part 2. About an hour ago. What do you eat?
Yes, sir.
So now we have this. So if you remember, we didn't really get the time or score working. So I guess let's do that. So we'll start off with the timer. It's the simplest one. When green flag clicked, forever. Well, wait 1 second. Increase time by 1. One. So now you have a simple time counter. But now we need score. So let's go to sprite 2. We'll not do that. But then we'll also do another if. If is less. No.
Hey, that was
if hold on, let's see. I'm gonna do something. Change x by -4 scroll speed. Let's see this. So we need to go to -242.
I didn't get that one eating my food.
X166. I'm just gonna 166. 166. Okay, so let's put a negative 166. I'll remember to delete that. Yeah.
I suck at this game.
So negative 166. I'm just gonna do a repeat 10 because I'm lazy.
Alright.
Okay. Let's go to this repeat. Negative 166. Okay, for just like a few stuffs, it goes to like negative 165.
Boink, 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 boink. Boink, 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 boink. Amazing, amazing! Not amazing, not amazing, not amazing.
If I'm correct, this should do what this is what I think should happen. At least I hope. Nope. To change it to like 165. It's just one pixel, but it makes all the difference. I will show you. Bam, 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 bam. The scope. Then that will work. Instead we'll Yes! 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 Finally! It worked. Oh yeah, right. Set score to 0 and also set time to 0. No, there we go. So we have officially made Flappy Bird. We have all the mechanics. Except for this. Yeah, I'm not gonna do, I think I might do minerals, but I'm not sure. This tutorial is going out way better. Okay, so we have I'll show you what Flappy Bird IO looks like. Just type in F for me. It doesn't even rotate around the center. And the background doesn't scroll either. I didn't think of that. I didn't think that the background, I thought the background scrolled. My version is practically incorrect. But since it's widescreen and all that, I'm not doing that. I'll do like one. There we go. Or we can do negative 0.5. Yeah, negative 0. Deal with it. The bird will indeed fall through the floor, but that's okay.
Alright, mushroom.
I'm dead. So now that we have this code in, I really want to like get the Flappy numbers. That sounded wrong. Flappy numbers. Flappy numbers. Like 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey!
So
Just off the thing over there.
I'll follow the group patch tutorial. Let's go to group patch. If you check on my profile there, 6 more rings? What do you mean 6 more? With that merge. Goik! 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 Stupid. Goik! Goik! Koyuk! So I'm just gonna find the tutorial. Oh, you need 3 geometry dash tutorials back to back? I'm surprised. And also credits to credits to Drift Patch.
And I need a Yoshi.
I want to say I want to give up right now, but no, never give up. Oh my, how? Cool numbers. Cool numbers. Also number counters.
Hello, fellow Scratchers. Have you made a great Scratch game, but felt it was let down by using Scratch's built-in variables for the score or timer? Yeah, we've all been there. Well, worry no more, because today I will be showing you how we can dispense with those and replace them with something a lot more awesome. Oh yeah, come on. The concept is pretty straightforward. We need to have the digits 0 to 9 as costumes of our sprite, and then we add a little code in to handle the heck. Quick all sprite might be wow.
I followed this tutorial so many times.
And what we really want is for the score to be large, colourful, in your face, and really funky. In a new costume, notice there's a 0 digit first.
Let me do that. Everything. So I'm just gonna convert this to bitmap for the second time. Zero. One. One. Two. Three.
What a grabber.
Because you suck.
No.
Yes.
Because this game is so cool that I ever played in the whole world.
Oh my god, be original, whoa. 3. Number 4. Beautiful. I love the number 4. I hate the number 4, actually. Bam. 4. 5. Okay, we'll just...
Oh, I found
5.
Oh, I need another one.
6.
Alright, I'm
6.
Can't believe how
6.
world.
6.
I'm a frog. I'm a frog.
Hold on. Wait, what?
I'm a frog.
That is not what I meant to do. 6.
Can't believe I'm a frog.
No, shut up! 3, 4. Control A. That's not what I meant. By Control A. Control A. 5.
Can't believe I'm in this.
6.
Boink.
7.
Look at this old one.
6, 7. 6 to 7. Almost there. I'm just gonna drag this down here because I'm lazy as hell. 8, 9.
I'm round of the Yoshi.
Bam. Bam.
Yoshi. That's not a Yoshi. I never had that Yoshi before. I had.
No, can you like... I miss my tutorial music.
Boing. Boing. I'm out of here.
Okay, so now that we have all our numbers, we have to center them. It's easy to center stuff, though. You just drag them.
How does that happen?
I'm using Control A to quickly select all the objects. Well, the sprites. So, that works. Five. 6. 6, 7. Then we're gonna grab the 7. 8. Oop, 8. And instead of dragging all the number costumes to a different sprite, how about we just...
Right, I'm winning.
Man, I'm so smart.
How that happened?
7. And then you just want to get 9. And we're done! Except now I have to hide this. But now I have to show that. And then just change the size to like another 30. Why did the size? Change size, bro. Bro, change size. Zeros. Okay, it definitely. 200. 300. Too big. 250. Too small. Too big. 230. Too big. 200. Perfect. I just... Okay, so let's delete those. And let's go back to the tutorial. Okay.
So that looks pretty cool. Much more exciting than a variable reporter. Now we need to
Alright,
import the other 9 digits, one costume at a time. I've copied the word glow into my clipboard so that I can paste it into the search box and set time. However, don't feel you are stuck using this particular font. The tutorial will work just fine if you want to draw your own. That would be super fun and would make your project unique to you. Phew! I've imported all 10 costumes, 0 through 9. Let's center the costume on the stage. Just move the score variable reporter out of the way first. Yeah, that looks great. Now we just need to figure out how to make the beautiful new digit display the same number shown in the variable reporter. Often a problem is not so hard to solve if you can first break it up into smaller problems, and then solve these smaller problems one at a time. Rather than tackling the whole score of 117 then, we'll begin by looking at just the first digit, the character 1. Come into the code tab of our score sprite. Let's start by setting up our sprite. When green flag clicked, go to X1. The current position of the score sprite is pre-populated for us. Great. To help explain what we are doing, I'll bring in a say block from the looks category. We enter the word glow hyphen, ensuring to keep the uppercase G, and then on the right drag in the letter 1 of score. D. You see what this is doing. Put it all back into the save block and run the project. And now you can see we've managed to construct the full name of the costume, glow-1. Great, so instead of saying the costume name,
Oof. The hitboxes are a bit unfair, but that's one plump. Okay, when I say a bit unfair, I mean how the hell am I supposed to do this again? I just want to get.
Toss in a switch costume block and move the join in there. The old say block can go. Awesome! Let's give it a test. Yes! As long as you'll match the costume name exactly, including the uppercase and lowercase letters, you should find that the costume has switched to the correct one. It's worth trying it with some other score values, just to make perfectly sure it's working as expected. And of course, I can the switch costume. Now for starters, we'll have 4 clones, so enter 4 in the loop. After switching costume, create a clone of myself. But before we leap around and continue creating more clones, to prevent all the digits being cloned on top of each other, we need to move this sprite out of the way to the right. Change X by. We don't know how far to move it. The size of the numbers will change depending on our costume and also the current size of the sprite. The size of 200 will need twice as much room for each digit. Right then, let's experiment. Try moving right by the size reporter of the sprite itself. That would move 100 pixels when we are at the size of 100. Right, well, it's good to see the clones are appearing. But these digits are far too spaced out. In fact, we could fit 1 digit in between each of these clones. That's actually quite a useful measure. Perhaps we should just half the distance we are travelling. Change X by half the distance then, That is size divided by 2. Give that a test. Okay, yes, that's looking much better. So, depending on the costume you use in your project, you may need to tweak.
I think 8 would work. Yep, 8 would work.
Tweak this number 2 to make the spacing work for you. So we have our clones, but they all show the same value, be it 1111 or 5555. This is because each clone is still set up to show letter 1 on score. What we need is for each clone to be assigned a different digit position for it to display. First, second, third letters of score.
Oh, red!
Before we do that, did you notice that although we have created 4 clones, you're seeing 5 digits? Yeah, that's because the last digit is not, but the original's right. We should deal with that first, so it doesn't confuse things. Pop in a hide block after the green flag is clicked, and then, when I start as a clone, show. This way only the clones will display, right? Give that a test, and there. The 4 clones are showing. Now we have the when I start as clone hat block, we can move the switch costume over to here. This puts each clone firmly in control of switching its own costume, which I like. But, as we just noted, they are all looking at letter 1 on score. To identify
What? Where my scripts go? I thought I created a score method. Oh. I'm too lazy to do this. No, I'm just gonna go. Bam. Easy. Gone. Awesome number counters. Awesome number. Why do I only have YouTube tabs open?
identify which letter of score each clone should.
I don't know what the fuck.
We'll make a new variable and name it index. Make sure to switch it to for this sprite only, as each clone needs its own value for this to work. We begin by setting index to 1, just before our repeat loop. Then change index by 1, as the last instruction in our loop. We can see this in action by bringing back a say block. Drop in the index variable and give that a run. There, you see how each clone is reporting its own index, starting at 1 and counting up. So that's perfect for pulling out the right letter from our score. Simply drop the index variable into the letter score block. Okay, we need to test this baby out. Set score to 4,321. 4321. Click it.
Why no rookie?
Click it to set the value and then run this project. Oh, wow, yeah.
Yeah, why no rookie? Oh, level. Maybe I just need a drawing. Like nothing. Just receives nothing. So, yeah.
Yeah, look at this. 4321 exactly matching the score variable, but in beautiful large vector letters.
Boink.
Huh?
Boink.
Huh?
No.
Huh?
Boink. 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 Doink. Doink.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
So delete that say block, and there we go. So
No, why no worky? Isn't the code exactly the exact? Isn't the code the exact thing the same? Letter index of score. Index. What is index? Index 5. Maybe set this to 0. Now let's try. I am either a retard or a retard. Cause it's full. Where? Oh, there we go. Like, where? Like, seriously, where? Where? What? I made. Where? Where? Oh, yeah. Where? What is freaky? I don't want to know. Bro, where? Bro. Oh my god. Bro, where? 7? This isn't episode 7, it's 6. It's 2. Oh, it is 7. Bro, where? Okay, obviously. Okay. Hey, I remember you. But where? Cool. There. Cool number counter. mine. Tutorial. Finally. I have a message. What the? What? Define setup. What? I really don't need the size though. Thank you, but like, no thank you.
Do you know what I just did?
What?
Backflip.
Just had a message. Wow. Cattle boy and the biscuits, which. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, is it back? Is that? It's back up. My stuff. Yeah. 2 hours ago, I made Flappy Bird episode 1.
Hello, your dad pulled up.
Coming.
Wait, did they put in your headphones?
Yeah,
Your dad just pulled up.
I heard you. I said I'm coming. Woo! I almost fell down because of this toy.
One arm hug? What's wrong? What's a run off hug? What kind of hug is this? What's the other hand? Other arm. What's the chord? What's up on it? Where's the song? Love it.
This is a fish.
It's your middle straw, a straw cleaner, and the meat.
Alright, Sam. Yeah, be good at school. So, yeah, because I have something special for you.
Put it in the wallet and put the wallet up.
This looks like a fake.
You got the red and blue headphones now?
Yup.
And what is that you got?
Money.
Money?
Yep.
You're rich. You got money.
It's only $10, bro.
Yeah?
Only 10.
Hi.
Hey, $10 is still a lot of money though. I have so much money. I'm rich. I have 13 monies. What the fuck? There we go. Yeah! listen to the So I'm just gonna oh my god. Joined blank. That's it. Eight. So now it looks all squished in. Oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so they had new variable. New variables? New variables, but old variable. New and old variable. Yo, Sam. Hey, Deshaun.
Yeah?
Guess what?
What?
Yo, Sammy. Oh, I'm a retard. I am such a dum-dum. I am like really dumb. I am not dumb. I am actually dumb. Like, bro, what? Where is like? Where the f is? Where the fuck is my brain? That's like, bro. I do not know where. What the fuck? Where the actual then we need last script and delete this because we're not. Oh my god, why is it so fucking long? Does it work though? No! 999000000. Let's. I'm gonna test if this works. Dead. Let's test that again. Boing, 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 boing. Oof. I'm dead. Hold on. When there's wind, I need to fart. Like, meow. Meow. Meow.
Dude, what is going on over there?
I'm just going to switch this for forever, and that, and so on, and set this size to 600 because not 600, but okay, I sound ugly. Oh my god, bro, why is it 15 digits long? Nobody is playing Flappy Bird for that long. So I get the point of that. Oh, okay, I get the point of that. I get the point of that, bro. I need to, like, bro. This was smart, but I need to, like, also switch this, like, put that in there, and also, like, why the f am I so small? Damn. I don't know what. Oh, I didn't. Damn. Like again, we're only gonna get to the fourth round. And if, oh my god. Okay, bro. Okay. Where did I die to? Code, bro, code. I'm not doing this, bro. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. What am I selected on?
Oh my god.
The hell was I selected on? And now I can't get back. Oof. The Schmeasley. Bam, 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 bam. Oh. Bro, why? Why did I die? I do not know how I died, but hitboxes, I guess. I'm gonna go to the player, and I'm gonna create a hitbox. Beautiful hitbox. No hitbox. Won't. Okay, now I see what I died to, but cool. Why is the stage so small? Okay, so we have our code here, and we added that, but I will honestly want to add sound. So let's add some Flappy sounds. I'm gonna go to my instance. I'm cutting that out. Apple Pay. So, where's to go? Okay, Flappy Bird. I know it's like a meme soundboard, but Flappy Bird's wing. Download MP3. Flappy Bird's point. Ding. Download MP3. Flappy Bird's die. Download MP3. And we also need swishing. I will not be using switching ever. But now we have SFX. I said SFX. So we can just import them. I'm just gonna switch it to that so I can 1, 2, 3, 4.
What the? Oh my gosh! How did I?
Oh, I didn't know that could actually happen.
Did I go down there?
You're like, there's no audio there, so I'm just gonna dead. I don't know what this will do.
Can't catch me.
Oh no. Wait, where? Oh, it's in the UI. Yep, swish. Gotta get that swoosh in. That sounded so embarrassing, bro. Gotta get that SFX swooshing. Overall, it's a bad way to play Flappy Bird. It's a way to play Flappy Bird. Yes, it's a bad way though. It's a bad way though. Key space starts on swooshing. Wait until not peace. Key space pressed. I believe Viking. Ultimate Flappy Bird. No. Can I just glide to this one? I'm just gliding. Wait, no clip? Literal no clip. I have no freaking clip. I have no clip. I have like no clip right now, bro. I have no clip. So I'm just gonna take that there. Maybe we'll do a play sound until done. I don't really like that play sound until done, so I guess we'll just do a start. So yeah. That is let's try this. Right now everything's using the swoosh sound. Yeah! So let's go back to the UI. Sound effects die. Sound effects point. And sound effects wing. So let's grab this death sound. Impact. Flappy. Just Flappy. Just Flappy. No, just Flappy. Why did I trust my instance? I need a Flappy Bird impact sound. MP3. Brother. Flappy Bird sounds. I don't. Yes! I needed that. Please don't tell me I need to download something. Click the 7. I'm never using this site ever again. That was a sketchy site. But hey, I got my sound effect. So, the Yes! Good. So now we have sound effects. They're a bit loud, so I'll just kind of. It's mostly that one, which I need to. That's better. Let's make and we're done.
Purple water?
That was cool. We will. Whoa. I can't exist anymore, bro. Set score. Show score.
No.
Time. Hide. Score and time. Okay. That's a bit delayed, but that's not yeah, it's alright. It's alright. Well, that concludes our episode. Hold on. Okay, so I'll just